to abort me. I don't know how, but she would.
All right.
That's how them Hispanic parents go, bro.
Everybody ready? Everybody ready?
Yep.
Yes.
I'm ready. I've been ready. I've been ready.
Wait. We're on chapter 6. Okay, we're on chapter 6. All right, cool. I'm gonna pull it up my side so I can.
Who's gonna be that guy right there talking?
Actually,
That right
I'll do it. I don't got to roll, so.
Okay, Croc, do it.
Okay.
All right, and begin.
Your day leave request for the fiend power is approved. Be back by 5 o'clock.
You can't even go out on your own.
Nope, I was bored being in here all the time. I know where to find that white trash who took me out. The problem is that only you can fight it. If it sees me, it'll use me out as a shield, and it would be back. Then it would be checkmate.
Scroll down. Just scroll down. All right. Say what?
You skip over.
You literally
skipped over.
all the way over.
No.
On my
You don't have
screen,
like Viz? It's so much better.
Hold on. Okay. Oh shit. No, this is page.
Where
2.
the? Huh? Where are we?
boys.
I don't know.
I
Hold
think you're
on.
going the wrong way.
No, we're here. No,
Okay,
this
there you
is-
go. There it is.
yeah,
Just go.
because it lagged.
Okay, there you go.
It lagged. All right.
Alright.
I had a pet devil too. This devil was named Pochita. I can't never paint him again, but it's okay because he's alive inside me right here.
Blacks are so foolish.
Say what?
That means Pochita died, does it not? The dead have no life. They're in my heart, or whatever. That's pathetic consolation.
Yeah, you're so right. There's no way I could be friends with this chick.
Alright, he's playing this
I
guy.
hate talking to
Anybody can be this guy.
I can play him.
It's not loaded for me.
I can play him.
All right.
The Soviet warhawks are getting louder over the America matter. We're also hearing rumors that they're using devils for military purposes. We only pray that the devils remain Japan's only enemies. Makima, are you... Oh wait, are the dogs in the squad we gave you coming along?
I have one dog that's promising and one that's interesting.
Interesting?
A puppy I recently took in. Your job is to train dogs and use them. Be sure not to get attached.
That was the other guy talking about.
Yeah, that was the other guy.
Not that, homie. I didn't mean it.
Nah, I'm not gonna hold you. I'm not gonna hold you. That shit caught me off guard, bro.
Yeah.
No, we're keeping that. It was kind of funny. We're keeping that. That was funny.
One of
I
my
was like, oh, that's a girl. And then I was like, burritos loading up. I was like, what the fuck?
This isn't a voice changer. I can just somehow do that voice. I don't know how, but let's
You
go.
so zesty, nigga.
Me.
All right,
Okay.
next.
NG is it? Wait. Didn't practice. I didn't practice. My fault. NG is disgusting. There's nothing interesting about him. Why do you have such high hopes for him?
All devils are born with a name. The more that name is feared, the more powerful the devil itself. Coffee has no scary mental image whatsoever. If there was a coffee devil, it would probably be weak. But what if there was a card devil that conjures up the mental image of getting run over and dying so that it might be strong? Denji can turn into the chainsaw devil. I really do think that's interesting.
It's interesting and nothing more. He's useless. People with goals or convictions serve in public safety. Him, he said all he wants is to live the easy life. He isn't fit for public safety. Not to mention he thinks you can become friends with devils. He's still a brat. Just some brat.
In that house, Meowing the white trash are in there.
Huh? Then let's get our butts over there. Man, I really don't want to go all chainsaws on it because I'll get faint.
Oh. So, go chainsaws.
Yeah, I can turn into chainsaws. Isn't it gonna wait? Oh no, never mind. Secrets.
What the? Nigga jets are so unamusing.
Huh?
Yeah, what is it?
Isn't it gonna use your cat as hostage if you show up? You can't come this close with me, right?
Oh, that was my story.
Ori.
A slip of the tongue it was.
Fighting, fighting, fighting.
Throwing hands. Throwing hands.
Fight.
Wham!
Ah!
He's a black, but he had good intuition.
Right. We need the bat devil.
Who's Bat Devil?
Here comes my part.
Oh yeah.
Who's Bat Devil?
Motherfucker, speak.
Oh, shit. You made me wait for quite some time, Blood Devil. I thought you went away. Don't complain. I had to wait that long
it's
until
Power.
I could finally get
Power.
outside you.
Oh, that's me. That's me.
I'm stupid.
This is.
Don't complain. I had to wait long enough so I could finally get outside too. Bat, I brought you a nigga just as you wish.
My first meal in so long. A young melee. Looks like I'll get a drink. Blood. Brimming with the life force.
Yeah.
Look at my arm, human. You damn humans did this to me. This infernal wound forced me to hide my grain self.
Like I care, idiot.
My meal barks. Humans carved this womb upon me, so I will heal it with human blood.
Yeah.
You taste disgusting. Now I've gone and gained from disgusting blood because of you.
Crank.
Oh, you human to get rid of this taste.
Imp.
That's me. What do you want? To be friends with devils?
I can't believe you took my story for truth. Stupid ass nigga.
That was perfect, bro.
Alright, he's playing the citizen.
Oh, no, that's
I can just fill in.
Yeah,
Oh,
let's
that's
have
the-
Croc do it.
No, these are.
It's Bad Devil.
These are the bad.
Yeah,
that's
that's
the
the
bad.
bad. Yeah.
I want their citizens though.
Smell of cigarettes, makeup, and medicine. No, it's not bad. No, it's not a bad smell. I've settled on children to cleanse my plate.
Bat devil. I brought you a human as promised. Now give me Meowie back.
Ah, yes. Was that the deal?
Meow.
Meowie.
I still haven't punished you for bringing me disgusting blood, haven't I?
Meowie. Meowie. Your name shall be Meowie. For a cat, you smell tasty. You're all skin and bones. Me thinks I'll fatten you up a little before I eat you. Hurry and grow big. I'm eager to kill you. Meow. I've always killed every minority that met my gaze. It feels so strange to hear a voice that isn't screaming. So strange.
Blood devil. I need blood. Bring me a human if you want the cat to live. No.
You said you can't pet Pochita anymore? I know how you feel. It's just an awful feeling, isn't it?
Disgusting. Disgusting. Nothing but disgusting blood. Ugh. Gah. My mouth tastes revolting. I must rinse it out with blood of children.
Dude, the hell?
After I've gargled, I'll have a virgin as an appetizer. For the soup, a healthy woman of ripe age.
Pause.
What's
wrong with that?
It is what it is.
The main course will be a good plump man, and for the dessert, a desire a pregnant woman.
Yeah, give me back my boobs.
You're drinking my blood? How vile. I do not have any desire to drink your blood.
There was this one time Pochita went missing. Pochita wasn't there when I woke up. I looked all over town and still couldn't find him. I thought he'd be eaten by a devil. But when I got home, Pochita was there waiting for me, crying. I remember being so relieved that we fell asleep together right in the spot. After Meowie got taken by a devil, how did she feel when she would sleep at night? Chance on noises.
Some noises.
Bang.
This is a fucking sick ass fucking guy.
Oh, Joey, are we gonna do the little gag panel?
Okay,
Yeah, sure. Why not? This is it.
yeah, sure. Hey, hey, don't throw away your apple peels. These are edible. If you don't want the skin, give it to me. I'll eat it. Give me your scabs. I can eat those.
No way.
Why not? They're nutritious. Echo, that's
What kind of life have you? Oh, sorry. What kind of life have you lived?
And it was that.
That's it.
Fuck you.
That was the end of volume 1.
Volume 2.
Yes, volume 2.
Shit go crazy, don't it? Yeah.
A
That's right.
devil?
Yeah, bro. Ah! Kaboom!
It says crash.
Who's the woman?
Okay, my balls. Alright. Ow, ow, ow. Who is the
I want to fucking devil speak.
You're gonna get eaten.
You let the human get away, but you're a devil. What is it you want?
To split your belly open and touch those boobs.
Bang.
Get a fool who protects human. What's your name?
My chainsaw's can retract.
Such strength as that puny body. Why would you use the strength to save humans?
Oh shit, I saved him. Like I care about some guys. I can't read. Stupid life.
You just like deep down in my voice.
Sucking dick.
Goddamn.
Croc to it.
First, I must regenerate. This blood reeks of tobacco. But I'll tolerate it right now. How are you alive?
Because even though I've been nothing but patient through a whole bunch of awful crap, I still haven't even touched him a little.
Stay away from you, psychopaths.
Damn.
Alright, I can do one more chapter. That's all I can do before I've got to go.
That's fine. All right, that's fine.
Alrighty.
I just went last one.
I'm so proud of you.
Oh.
Sleeper had a nice ass, bro.
God, no way.
Hey.
Yeah.
Let me sniff that. Mm.
Oh, hell no.
Oh yeah,
Bring me a human if you want your cat to live.
All minorities are equally trivial. It's merely a cat. Then why am I running? Why am I searching for a black to save Meowie? What a foolish reason. I love blood, the taste, the smell, feeling death, and I've recently discovered for the first time that blood is nice and warm. Yeah.
Oh, hey.
Meow. Why did you save me? I tried to kill you.
Squish.
What a foolish reason. I'm not gonna apologize because you're a minority.
Oh my god.
Yeah, we survived. I'll let you grope me.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Ow! Oh, the pain!
Do we have a voice for this?
I'll just do it.
Alright.
I can do my toad voice.
Wait, yeah, do the toad. No, yeah, do the toad voice on. Do the toad voice. Fucking leech. Can you move?
Alright.
Not a finger. Take me out and run.
Oh wait, that's okay. Yeah. Oh shit. Yeah, my chainsaws won't come out. Do I not have enough blood?
Oh, that was me.
Yeah.
Okay.
What? Just when I finally found it, you're the one who killed Patty, aren't you? He was my boyfriend. Oh, I'm gonna go up there and touch him. Yeah, kill That beast that I curled to kill something cutie. You may go.
And those two behind me?
I'll just kill them. Word up, motherfucker!
It's all like I've got to like go now.
I don't know.
Pretty much.
Just send the recording.
Yeah, I
to
will.
one
I'll
of
upload it
us.
to Drive.